Hi friends, thank you very much for clicking ABC Learning English Solution. Friends, today on this podcast we are going to discuss about transformation. My dear friends, transformation is a vast chapter. Today we'll focus on this part, affirmative to negative. My dear friends, in competitive exam, this part is very much important. Friends, on this video we'll discuss about some of the short tricks. If we apply these short tricks, we will be confident in converting affirmative to negative sentences. My dear friends, this is the first one. Normally, if we see any kind of verb or adjective in our affirmative sentence, at that time, this is the very basic. At that time, for making it negative, we use the term not. And after that, we use the opposite of the given verb or the adjective. This is the first thing. Let's look at the example. Here the sentence is, she is beautiful. So my dear friends, see, this is the verb, this is the subject, this is the verb, and this is the adjective. So here we'll use this theory. We'll use not and the opposite of this given adjective. So we have written, she is not ugly. Beautiful, this is the adjective, and we have used the opposite of this adjective and we have added not. My dear friends, this is the first one. Let's look at the other example. Here I have written, I can remember the fact. My dear friends, this is the verb here. Remember, this is the verb. And we have used the opposite of this verb, forget. And with this can, we have added not. So the sentence is, I cannot forget the fact. Here, my dear friends, we have not changed the meaning. The meaning is same for both of these two sentences, and these are correct sentences. These are correct sentences. My dear friends, let's look at this part. Second one. If in your affirmative sentence, if you see this term, alone, merely, only, at that time, we can use this one. Friends, here, first thing is that if the subject is a person, if you can see in a subject, if you see this is a person or human being, at that time we'll use none but. If the subject is a thing, at that time we'll use nothing but. And my dear friends, if in your affirmative sentence, if you see the time or you can say the number, at that time we can use not more than or not less than. By applying these words, we can convert the affirmative sentence into a negative one without changing the original meaning of the given sentence. Let's look at the example. The first sentence. Only Ram can solve this problem. Look at this sentence, my dear friend. In this sentence, you can see this term is there only. I have written here, this term is there. Only Ram can solve this problem. My dear friends, actually, whenever there is some exclusive quality of a person, at that time we use this one. The sentence means that there is no such other person who can solve this problem. Only it is the, you can say it is the exclusive quality of this person to do this activity. So here we have seen only, and this is the person, Ram is a person, that's why we have used none but. So here we have written none but Ram can solve this problem. Here, my dear friends, whenever we are using this term none but, we are giving exclusive quality of this person. And as we have used this term none, you know this is a negative term. So the entire sentence is a negative one. This is affirmative sentence and this is negative sentence, and the meaning is same. Now my dear friends, here the subject is a person. Now let's look at this example. Only a cup of tea can change my mood. Here this is the subject. A cup of tea. My dear friends, it is not human being, it's a thing, and that's why I have told you if the subject is a thing, at that time we should use nothing but. So we have done the same thing here. Nothing but a cup of tea can change my mood. My dear friends, whenever we are gonna provide any kind of exclusive weightage to a thing, at that time we use nothing but. And we have done the same thing. This term is a negative one. As a result, the entire sentence is negative sentence and the meaning is same. So my dear friends, this is an affirmative sentence and this is a negative sentence. And my dear friends, the meaning is same for both of these two sentences. That means this is a correct one. Now, my dear friends, if you see this type of maybe time or maybe number, here this is the example. Ram has one brother. So my dear friends, you can see there is a number. As I have told you, if you see time or number in your affirmative sentence, at that time we have to write down not more than or not less than. So here the sentence is Ram has one brother, and we have done this one. We have changed this one. Ram does not have more than one brother. My dear friends, the meaning is same for both of these two sentences. Here one thing I should mention, remember it my dear friends, we cannot write down in the negative sentence, we cannot write down Ram has not one brother. We cannot write down, we have to write down does not have. Actually, this is a separate thing, we'll make a separate video for this. It is very much important thing. So Ram does not have more than one brother. As it is one, so we cannot use not less than, because not less than one means that is separate thing. That is ridiculous, you can say. So my dear friends, if the number is, if you see here 2, 3, 4, at that time we can use this one not less than. But here as the number is 1, we cannot use not less than, we have to write down not more than one brother. My dear friends, I think this part is clear to you. Friends, now focus on the third one. If in your sentence, if you see this term as soon as, at that time we have to use no sooner had, then some words after that, then, THAN, then. The sentence is as soon as he saw his mother, he touched her feet. Actually, my dear friends, you can see there are two different words, two different sentences, or you can say two different actions. And where this term is used as soon as, it means after completion of the first one, the second action started. That means between these two activities, there is no such time loss. In this situation, we use as soon as, and it's an affirmative sentence. And if we wanna change it into negative one, we have to use no sooner had ... then. Let's look at the example. As soon as he saw his mother, he touched her feet. Here we have written no sooner had he seen his mother, he touched her feet. So we have used this term no sooner, and this is the negative word, so obviously it's a negative sentence and the meaning is same. If you wanna learn the actual usage of no sooner, you can get one special video for this term. You can check the playlist, it is available there. Friends, I think this part is also clear to you. Now focus on the next one. Friends, if in your affirmative sentence, if you see this term must, we have to use cannot but or can't help, then V plus ing, that means verb with ing form. So let's look at the example. I must solve this problem. So this term is there. I must solve this problem, and we have done this one. I cannot but solve this problem. And even we can write down I can't help solving this problem. We have used the verb form with ing. Both of these sentences carry the same meaning. There is no such problem. You can use either of these two. Both the sentences are correct. Now focus on this one. My dear friends, if in your affirmative sentence, if you see this structure, both, then some other words after that and, or maybe you can see only this word and as conjunction, at that time we have to use not only but also. My dear friends, this is the example. Both Ram and Sam play cricket. Here you can see both of these terms are there, both and, both, then one person, then and, then another person. Here think about the meaning of this sentence. Ram and Sam play cricket. It means Ram plays cricket and also Sam plays cricket. So two persons are there, but there is only one activity. My dear friends, maybe two persons are there and activity is one, or maybe sometimes it may be a person is one but they are doing two different activities. So my dear friends, here two persons are there and there is one activity. And in this sentence, look at this one, Ram is educated and well known. Here the person is one but the activities are separate, two activities are there. So my dear friends, in these two situations we can use not only but also. That means one person two activity, or two person one activity in this situation. So let's look at the example. Both Ram and Sam play cricket, and we have done this one, not only Ram but also Sam play cricket. This is a correct sentence. In the second one, Ram is educated and well known. So Ram is one person and here two activities are there, or two, here actually these are adjectives, two adjectives are there. So here we have done this one, Ram is not only educated but also well known. So my dear friends, in this way we can convert affirmative sentences into negative one. So in this video I discussed about 5 rules, and there are many more, and in the next video I'll try to discuss the others. So my dear friends, I think this video is beneficial for you if you wanna learn these types of things, or if you wanna get same kind of more videos. I'll suggest you to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. So my dear friends, thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much.